Hello children, welcome to EVS class. This is Majita ma'am here. In this session we are going to study what does soil contains. Soil is a natural resource which covers the top layer of the earth. What does this soil contain? This soil contains tiny pieces of weathered rock. Weathered rock is nothing but the breaking down of rocks into small pieces. Then it also contains the remains of dead plants and animals. When the plants and animals die, they mix up with the soil and decompose. So that is the remains of dead plants and animals. Soil also contains air and water. The soil is layered in many parts. The first part is the humus. Humus is nothing but the remains of dead plants and animals. So that becomes the first layer. Next layer of the humus is topsoil. Next the subsoil. Then the weathered rock fragments. It is nothing but the small stones mixed with the soil. Then the very hard part of the rocks will be in the lowest part of the soil. So you can imagine. Okay. So if I take a small quantity of soil from the garden and put it in a jar, mix it with water and shake it up. Shake it well so that the water dissolves the soil. Now keep the bottle without disturbing for 24 hours. You can see the soil settling down at the bottom depending on the components. First, all the lighter particles will settle down over the water and the heavier stones will settle down on the bottom of the jar. You can see the water in the middle. Okay, depending on the density of the soil, the layers will be formed. So, the soil components are layered depending on the thickness of the rocks. So, the humus is the lighter part which is on the top layer. Next, the top soil comes, then the subsoil where the roots get spreaded and starts growing. After the subsoil, the small rocks with the soil can be found. After that weathered rock, you can see big stones which becomes the bedrock. It is the lowest part of the soil where the plants cannot reach because that rock will not absorb water. The roots will grow only up to the subsoil where they can absorb water. After that, rocks only will be there. Where can a plant grow inside a rock? No. So this is the component of the soil. So the soil contains humus, sand, clay and pebbles. So humus is nothing but the remains of dead plants and animals which are on the top layer of the soil. Sand is nothing but the grainy part of the rocks which will be little grainy. Then clay. Clay is nothing but a very soft, moist pieces of rock. And pebbles. Pebbles, you should have seen the small stones with the smooth surface. They are called as pebbles. Let's discuss now some important words to remember. Remains, nutrients, fertile, humus, pebbles, clay, grainy, smooth. Hope to meet you in the online session. Thank you and bye.